Hello everyone. I am pleased to present to you a brief presentation of the dental management software, which is a specialized computer program to help in streamline and organize dental clinic activities, which I believe it will be led as a result to reduce cost and improve the efficiency of the clinic office. This is the login platform where authorized user has to select his name and enter his password in order to go to main menu. It worth to mention in the beginning that in case if there are any pending follow-up task, the system will bring a pop-up alert message for those tasks. However, I will come back to this issue very soon in details. This is the main menu where all required tasks can be done. First of all, clinic's owner must add clinic details and addresses. Also will add users who are allowed to access the program. At the same time, they will determine the authorization level for each user as the following authorization list. Also, owners have to add all doctors registered under the clinic name. I'll briefly describe how the software works by using an example so that you can see how user-friendly and professional the software is. Initially, we will start by inserting a new patient data by entering add a new patient platform, where we normally enter all relevant patient information and medical history for each patient. It's important to mention that program will give an auto unique file number for each patient. Meanwhile, the clinic can use their manual number at the same time. Let's say the new patient name is Hassan Muhammad Salim Ali. Birth date, gender, mobile number. In case if the mobile entered already exists in the system, the program will alert a pop-up message declaring that this number already exists in the system. Then we can add medical history as per patient declaration. After all required data entered, we can start schedule a new appointment to the patient through schedule appointment platform, where we have to select consulting doctor name, visit title, appointment date, and appointment time. The program automatically will demonstrate the patient list for the selected date and doctor name in the following table, where will help the user to determine appropriate number of patients for each doctor per a day. Meanwhile, in the other table, you can see all appointment history related to the above patient. Also, user can use upcoming calendar platform as a guideline where he can preview all upcoming appointments for each doctor per a day. From the main menu, all appointments of today's date can be previewed on Schedule Today's platform, where the treatment operation can be managed for each patient. And here it's important to mention that before entering the patient and in advance, the doctor can preview patient medical history and previous appointments and preview treatment plan related to patient if it's available. When start treatment process, doctor initially will determine the diagnosed details by writing directly to diagnose field. However, he can select from prepaid in advance diagnose list in order to save in time and effort. This list can be updated anytime. Furthermore, and from the tooth chart front of you, doctor can select the tooth or teeth which need to be treated, then treatment process can be started as required to the selected teeth. By end of treatment plan, prescription can be determined through prescription platform. Also, he can use from previous prescription entered in the system, which will be saved. Also, if it's required, sick leave certificate can be prepared and issued if it's required. Generally, the program will save all medical diagnoses, all treatments planned, and prescriptions issued in every appointment for each patient. In some cases, if there are any issues need to be followed up in future, the same can be added through follow-up process platform. Where program will alert user on the target date. By finishing from treatment process, the authorized user can start issue the proper billing details through Invoices platform. Invoices platform will show all invoices issued to a patient where a new invoice can be issued. We have to select the invoice date, then fees category, it was to mention that all fees can be added in advance as per clinic admin discretion. By finishing the invoice details, payment mean can be determined as per a clinic admin discretion in this regard. Payment platform, then receipt can be printed out. It was to mention also that program allow to settle the invoice through cash payment or even by checks if it is agreed by clinic admin. However, the program will trace up any unpaid bills or checks in the future. Finally, and if it's required to set another appointment to complete the treatment, if necessary, we can add a new appointment as explained earlier. Before ending, I will make a quick presentation to some important features in the program, starting with Find Patient platform, where you can search for any patient by using patient name, file number, and mobile number. Unscheduled platform will keep trace any new patients added without appointment scheduled. All pending follow-up can be managed and updated from follow-up platform. If clinic accepting monthly checks payment, then through checks wallet platform, user can follow and settle monthly checks payment. All patient list platform will show all patient detail and we can find anytime. Finally, user can preview large number of reports which covers all activities related to the clinic. invoices report, income summary. I would like to remind you that this was a brief explanation, and I hope that it meets your satisfaction. And for any further inquiries, please do not hesitate to call us at the following contact number. This is Ziad, and goodbye.